While she waited, the city assured her other hydrants in the neighborhood would provide adequate protection in the event of a fire. Based on our measurements, we found at least one hydrant within 500 feet and two others a little bit farther away. Whichever firefighters picked, they'd still have to hook up their fire hoses and then drag them here, which takes precious time.
We noticed a leak coming from the hydrant.
Barbara Helfs
It's ridiculous.
tried to do this quietly.
I'm just tired of it.
But after 385 days of waiting,
No more response to the emails.
the homeowner knew it was time to make some noise.
I don't want the house to burn down.
She and her husband bought this home in 2021, attracted to the neighborhood, the smaller piece of land, and the fire hydrant. But what good is a hydrant if it doesn't work?
They've had a out of order sign on it.
Helfs reported it broken in June 2022. In the months that followed, the City of Gastonia blamed the delay on understaffing, noted its hydrant repair list had grown substantially, and pledged to fix it when staffing is available. By early July 2023, she couldn't help but feel
Like they don't care.
like an afterthought. Gastonia wouldn't release specifics, but public records list 115 damaged hydrants in all that currently need repairs. Hydrants identified by firefighters during routine testing. WCNC Charlotte's analysis shows 20% of the work orders on this list are more than a year old, and some go back years. The oldest damaged hydrants work orders show include some firefighters can't even open and others that need to be replaced altogether.
2019, 2020, 2021, years without being fixed. How is that acceptable?
It's a combination of having to address fire hydrants along with all the other duties we're responsible for.
Gastonia Public Utilities Director Brian Pataki says the crews responsible for fixing fire hydrants are the same ones tasked with water and sewer repairs. With more than a third of those jobs vacant and a steady workload, he says Gastonia has to prioritize projects where there's an immediate safety concern, someone's property is at risk, or their service is disrupted.
Generally, I would ask the public to not be overly concerned.
Pataki says broken hydrants are usually lower on the list, unless they're labeled a priority by the fire department, because there's not other working hydrants close by.
If there was an actual safety-related issue that we became aware of, then that becomes prioritized.
According to the city, most of the hydrants on this list still work. They just need minor repairs.
Shouldn't the public expect responsiveness?
Yes, the public should expect us to be responsive to all of our water and sewer needs, and we think we are being responsive.
Emails show the town of Cramerton, whose hydrants are maintained by the City of Gastonia, followed up about the city's lack of responsiveness this spring, after previously flagging several hydrants in need of repair, asking for some response and a timeline.
There are always areas for improvement, and we'll look for those areas.
Pataki says the city hopes to eventually assign a crew to just fire hydrant detail once staffing improves.
What we ask the public to do is be patient with us as we work through this shortage, and we're going to try to get to those hydrants just as fast as we can.
I think I just opened up a can of worms.
The city didn't move nearly fast enough for Barbara Helfs, but within days of us making some noise on her behalf,
I was surprised.
a crew quietly came out and repaired her fire hydrant
They need to fix all the other ones now.
and took away the sign
I was happy.
that said, out of order. Nate Morabito, WCNC Charlotte.